More ash trees will be coming down in La Crosse this spring. The Board of Public Works approved the removal of ash trees along Losey Boulevard today. It's part of the city's plan to stop the spread of the invasive emerald ash borer beetle. The city will shut down Losey Boulevard April 11th from La Crosse Street all the way to Ward Avenue to remove the trees. The supervisor of the La Crosse Parks and Rec Department says this should be an eye-opener for property owners with ash trees in their yard.
Do I have an ash tree in my yard? Is this something I want to take down? Is this something I want to try to treat? Is it cost effective for me to deal with this? So these are all things and questions that need to be answered.
The road will be closed from 7 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon.